Today, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your new blog page to your Thinkific site's navigation menu using DropInBlog. Once logged into your Thinkific account, on the left-hand side menu, navigate to Channels. Then under that, click on Website. In the website page, click on your new blog page. You'll be taken to the site builder. On the left side, look for Header, then click on it. Under Blocks, click on the Add Link button. Under Text, name your link. We'll use blog to be straightforward. Then, under Link, click on the drop-down to select a destination. Scroll down and select another page. Under Page, click on the drop-down, then select Blog under Custom Pages. You can move your blog link to come first or before another link by hovering over this icon on the link that we are currently working with, then just click and drag it to your desired position. We've put it before the All Products link, and you'll see it appear on the preview. Once satisfied with its positioning, hit Save on the upper right of the site editor. To check out your new blog, from here, just click on Back here on the upper left. Then click on this chain icon to copy your blog link. Paste the link in the address bar. Hit Enter. And there is your blog with your new link to your blog in the navigation menu. And that is how you add a link to your new blog page to your Thinkific site's navigation menu using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!